In MS Word, another way to move text around is by dragging selected text. In this example, I want to move the text in red font all the way to the beginning. So I first highlight the text I want to move. I click and drag, and you see as I'm dragging, there's a box by my mouse. And wherever I reach and I want the text to stay there, I release my mouse and the text has moved. Let me do the same with the green text. I want it to come after the red. So I select the green text. Let me select without the full stop. So I click and I keep my mouse on the click and move all the way to in between the red and black text, and I release my mouse. And now all the text has been moved. This is how to click and drag text around the page.